God said those little moves that you made a loud ass noise. Fireworks, firecrackers is what I hear. Shit is popping, is what God just said. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So those little moves, now remember, when we plant seeds, we don't see everything that's happening underground, right? So you things may have been stagnant, delayed, being you were told to be still, because there were inner workings that were happening that you were not aware of, but you were still pushing towards the goal. There were those little moves are making big impacts. They're making big noises now. Okay, so peace, you powerful ass manifestors. It is I, your favorite and finest fucking prophetess, bitch, golden. God say you finna be living your life like it's golden. Prophetess Asha, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Okay, with the star card at the bottom of the deck, y'all have done a lot of fucking healing. All right, and like I said, when you plant a seed, you don't see all the workings of it growing underground. All right, a lot of mental work has been happening. So you may have felt like you weren't doing much, but you were being obedient, listening to the Most High, listening to your guides and ancestors. Don't get it twisted. Okay, know how valuable you are. Know how rare that is these days. People are catching on, right? But y'all been at this, Spirit is saying. Okay, 17, some of y'all 17 years. And Spirit dropped the star card. Okay, so that's definitely out here. A lot of healing, restoration is what I just heard. Look, Four of Wands, okay? Stability. 1111, make a wish. Y'all are in manifesting mode. Stars are aligning for you, okay? With this Four of Wands plus the star card, all right? There could be some issues with a home, all right? Or you've had issues with the home or with your stability or even being stable with inside yourself, right? But Spirit said, like, don't, just because you don't see it happening don't mean that it's not happening. Okay, so Spirit is letting you know you are stable. Look, in your emotion, in your finances, yeah, you have portals opening. The door is open for you. Okay, there's an abundance. When we talk about abundance, it's not just, a lot of people like to talk about finances, right? But it's an abundance. It's not just finances. It's a lot of rich people who miserable as fuck. All right, but God said, like, not only are you getting new opportunities in finances, you're getting our business opportunities, or new cars, new houses, material shit. Okay, thank you, God. Foundational things, but you have new opportunities for love, things that are going to make your heart, flutter, like, I feel like I'm speaking to somebody who maybe has felt dead on the inside for a long time, but you've been doing the work. The little moves that you've been making, the little mind shifts, okay, the little the thoughts that you are catching. People don't do that. Self-awareness is rare. Okay, people lie to themselves, trust me. All right, so the self-awareness, the little moves, the little pivots that you have been making, okay, is making a lot of noise for you. What is this? It's a whole bunch of aces on the table. 111, okay? What is this? 417, 147, 714. All right? But look, opportunities for ambitions, new passions. It's a whole lot of new. All right? So please, don't underestimate yourself. Don't underestimate your powers. All right? Know your worth. Know your value. Know what you're bringing, okay, to this universe. Not only to the table, to the universe. It's in motion. All right, you departed from certain things to have this, to be in alignment with your highest self. Okay, so just because you didn't see it, it is manifesting in the physical. Do not self-sabotage. This is why you went into hermit mode, to plan. Okay, this is why, to prepare. Okay, if you stay ready, you ain't got to get ready type shit, so understand, like, those little moves that y'all made, like, nobody can take this from you. Y'all worked hard for this shit. Yeah, and it's coming in quickly. Communication, okay? Success, abundance, again, like 8, all right? A lot of fast communication, too. And God had me put this right over the Ace of Wands, okay? 8 of Wands, 9 of Wands. Don't be afraid of of all this that comes rushing in. All right, you better be ready for what you ask for, because it is coming, and it's coming quickly. All right, so when it comes, it could feel like, you could be tired. That's why you had to rest right now. Spirit is saying this next season is finna get real busy. Those little moves you made, 5:05 on the fucking clock, big change. Those little moves you made a huge impact. Okay, you have changed trajectory, like I said on the other video. All right, you were headed in one direction, and you made little pivots, those little moves, and now you are heading upward, okay, towards the fucking sun. Okay, one last card, God. What else do you want the collective to know? Look, and it's manifested in the physical. Now, this is going to make you also, Spirit is saying, very youthful. All right, but it's also very much in the early stages, you guys. All right, so time is an illusion, so I don't really like to give a time frame, because you are the creator of your own reality. And if you self-sabotage, if you don't understand your look, self-sabotage. All right, so if you don't know your worth, don't know your value, then you could you could lock yourself back up and lock yourself away, thinking that you don't deserve this newness that's coming in. But Spirit said, remember, you're a badass, and you're full of life, you're full of love, and you're full of possibilities. And there's nothing that you cannot do, say, or have, beloved. Okay, your heart is pure. You judge righteously. You can trust what's coming in. Trust yourself. Trust your choices. Those little moves you made, trust me, making a huge impact on this world. You help raise the vibration. Thank you. Go forth with the power of source behind you. Dare to be different. Dare to dream your destiny. And stay the fuck aligned. Divine. Y'all know we fine, man. Okay, if you want to book a session with me, links in the bios. Peace, y'all.